Okay. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Vijayalakshmi Mamalaya, Assistant Professor of Physics. Welcome all of you in our nanotechnology's first lecture. What is nano? Nano is the Greek word which is nothing but meaning of nano is dwarf or very short. It is on the scale 1/1000th of the meter and given by here. The word nano itself a Greek word taken from Greek word that is dwarf, and the value of that is point not 1. Nowadays, nanoscience is an emerging field of technology which comprises physics, biology, chemistry, and technology. In that fields, on the nanoscale, materials were manufactured and miniaturized for the utilization of the material on the large scale. Generally, the things are extremely small on the atomic or molecular levels. Here, the brief introduction regarding nanotechnology and nanoscience. Nanoscience and nanotechnology is nothing but it is the study and device fabrication of the materials. Examples are from the things available in nature to the things we are manufacturing in laboratory are involved in nanotechnology and nanosciences. For example, human hair of the diameter. There is a diameter of human hair is 50,000 nanometer in size. Second example, red blood cells, that is RBCs present in our blood are of size 10,000 nanometer, where DNA strands comprises the dimension of 2 nanometer. Next, two methods of synthesis of nanomaterials are: first is top-down method, in this method the materials are fabricated or synthesized using large to smaller scale. Means if we are taking the brick and we divided that brick into small pieces, means we are manufacturing or creating nanomaterials by breaking large amount of material into smallest particle. That is the top down method of synthesis of nanoparticle. Second one is bottom up approach, in which there is a contrast technique of producing nanomaterials, in which the starting point of bottom up synthesis of nanomaterial is started from particle, smallest particle to largest material, and the best example of that, sand or soil forms a brick. म्हणजे वाळूचे किंवा मातीचे कण एकत्रित करून त्याच्यापासून आपण एखादी मोठी वस्तू विटा वगैरे तयार करतो. दॅट इज द बॉटम अप मेथड. नेक्स्ट, द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नॅनोमटेरियल्स. देन व्हॉट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल्स which are synthesized by various methods on the nanoscale. First property of nanomaterial is quantum mechanical properties. What are the quantum mechanical properties? Quantum mechanical properties are nothing but the atomic or molecular properties that possesses itself by material. It will change when we reduce the size of that material in the terms of charge capacity, magnetization, temperature, physical appearance, means color, temperature, etc., without changing their chemical composition. That is the first property. Means on the quantum mechanical level, the color of that material will change, the appearance of that material will change, the sizes of that material and the particle of that material will influenced, but the chemical composition of that particle remains the same. Second, nanoscale components have very high volume to surface area. Means in the smallest amount there should be a large particle availability, or the surface is provided by that material to interact or to perform or to give the largest outcome. These are the some pictures, examples of various forms of nanostructures. Nowadays we are using or having the technology same, Fe same and environmental same, in which same having the smallest or the clarity regarding 5 nanometer scanning, while Fe same scans the materials up to 1 nanometer or below that, means ultra clarity is there. And last one is environmental same. In environmental same, the materials which having the water content are also scanned at 1 nanometer scale. These are the pictures. This is the picture of leaf under the scanning electron microscope. We had seen here the pictures having the marks and the migraines are here, and this is the appearance of this पिक्चर. या फोटोवरून तुम्हाला कळत नाही आहे की ॲक्च्युअल पिक्चर कसं असेल त्याचं. हे ॲटॉमिक लेवलचं त्याचं स्कॅनिंग आहे. ॲट द सरफेस नेकेड आयने तुम्हाला ते लीफ दिसतंय, एंटायर स्ट्रक्चर असं वाटतं फक्त ग्रीनी लीफ आहे, एंटायर मटेरियल इज देअर. बट ऑन द स्कॅनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप or the large clarity, it is seen that there is a grains and volumes are formed, cavities are formed here. This is the next. On the higher resolution, it is seen that there are nanowires. Last picture shows clarity of the nanowires or network of the nanowires. These are some another examples regarding various nanostructures from 0 dimension to 3D structure. In 0 dimension, it is clearly seen that there are nanospheres or nanoballs are formed. We are creating or manufacturing the materials according to our interest or our requirement regarding the applications. Spheres and clusters are formed in 0 dimension. In 1 dimension, there are nanorods and wires are involved. Thirdly, 2D nanostructures, in that nanofilms and plates are observed. And last category, that is 3 dimension nanoparticles, which comprises cube-like or disc-like structures. These are the natural examples which we are observing in our surrounding environments, from giant material or giant object to the atomic level, higher dimension, or the atoms and nuclei. Here the giant object is tree, which is very large in the scale, then elephant, human being, hen, egg, then bacteria. After that the atoms, that is hydrogen atom, is represented, and this scale represents the dimension of that objects. The giant tree shows 100 nanometer, is of a scale of 100 meter, while elephant and adult human ranges 10 meter to 10 centimeter. It is the category of scale according to dimension and structure of that object. Next, from 1 nanometer to 10 micron, there are blood cells and bacteria are involved. After that, below that micron scale, we are going to 0.1 nanometer or below that, which is represented by atoms and molecules. There were 4 techniques to synthesize or to prepare the materials using nanotechnology. Nanomaterials were created by physical, chemical, biological and hybrid methods. In physical method, there is a ball milling method of synthesis of nanomaterial, and the applications of materials used in cosmetics, nanofabrics, defense, medical and health applications. Thank you.